Question number 19. So there are three societies A, B, C having some tractors. So A gives to B each of B and C as many tractors as they already have. B gives each of A and C as many tractors as they have now. After some days C will repeat the same process, right? So finally each of them had 24 tractors. So I have to calculate the number of tractors in the beginning. So the best approach to proceed these type of questions is to take the last values and proceed backwards, right? So let us take this ABC. In the end all of three will have 24 tractors each. So how many tractors will these three societies had before the third process, when C gives each of A and B as many tractors as they have now, right? So if A and B have 24 each after this process, right? So a step backward they had 12 and 12 each, because then only they will get 12 and 12 tractors each from C, and this value will turn to 24, right? So if C gives 12 and 12 to A and B, C had 48 tractors, 24 which it gave to A and B, and 24 which it has already had, right? 48 tractors. Now in the second process B gives each of A and C. So if A and C got the tractors in such a way that their tractors got doubled, right? So in the second process they should had 6 and 24 respectively. So how many tractors did B gave to A and C combined? This 6 plus 24, 30 tractors. So 12 tractors left out after given 30 tractors. That means B had 42 tractors in total before this process, right? Similarly, in the first step A gives to each B and C, right? So B and C's tractors will get doubled after getting tractor from A. Okay, so B would had 21 before A gives tractor to B, and C had 12, right? So A gave 21 plus 12, that is 33 tractors to B and C combined. So A had 39 tractors initially. So 39, 21 and 12 are the number of tractors with A, B, C in the beginning respectively. Option C is the correct answer choice.